Hello, my crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is Robyn Pitts. If you're new to my channel or you are a returning subscriber, welcome. And welcome back to another episode of my Halloween Spooktacular 2025 craft series. For today's project, I've created this Tombstone easel card. Now, before I review the details, let me show you some of the items that I used. The paper collection that I used is by Graphic 45. It's called Ghostly Greetings. This is an eerie, spooky, moody, yet beautiful paper collection, and it's got the gorgeous florals that you've come to expect from Graphic 45. Now, in this project, I used the 8x8 paper collection. I used this Tombstone mini album die by Kljuyp. This has a lot of metal in it. You have the base, you have a decorative layer, you have this fun little swirl for the tombstone, and several accessories including the RIP, a cross. There are two bats, a spider, and I love these two hands that are coming up from the grave. I also used this filigree piece here on the top. This is by Surprise Creations. This is my project, and I love the way this card turned out. As I mentioned earlier, it was originally intended to be a mini album. However, for this project, I made an easel card. Now, I did not do a tutorial because I just showed you how to do an easel card in my tutorial a few days ago. So if you haven't already, please be sure to watch my coffin tag easel card, and I'll also include a link in the description box below. This card measures 7 inches from top to bottom and 5 3/4 inches at the widest point. Now, on the back of the tombstone, I've used this fun green paper that's got jack-o'-lanterns and owls and bats and skeletons. So when you look at this card, I want you to imagine that you're going deep into a forest, and in the middle of the forest is this haunted cemetery. On the top of the tombstone, I've added this beautiful filigree, and I've included just a few golden diamond dots. Now, this card did take quite a bit of time to make. I only had the 8x8 paper. I didn't have any ephemera, so all of the additional elements were fussy cut. On the right side, you can see this beautiful floral cluster that has 3 different layers. On the left, I've added even more flowers here and behind the ghost. Now, I did decompose the ghost in the moon because I wanted it to appear that it was floating off the page. On the right, you can see the cemetery. My favorite part of the card is on the bottom here. I did quite a bit of fussy cutting. So on the left, we have this pumpkin with this black candle, and it's surrounded by all these pretty flowers. Then you've got all these flowers that have been fussy cut here on the bottom, and I love this jack-o'-lantern with the witch hat. On the bottom, to serve as a stopper, I used another filigree piece, and I finished off the card by adding in this skeleton hand with this beautiful flower. Isn't that cool? So when I turn the card to the side, you can see that I have several different layers of foam tape here. So we've got 1, 2, and then 3 layers here. This is the back. I just love this paper with the beautiful florals, and it's on top of black spiderweb paper. Here we have the little skeleton hand. Here's another look at my Tombstone easel card. I had so much fun making this. Now, please stay tuned because I do have another video coming up, which is a tutorial that shows you how to make a shaker tombstone card. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please do take a moment to give me a thumbs up. Please do leave a message. I love hearing from you and interacting with all of my subscribers, and I love hearing your suggestions and your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to check my channel to see new fun Halloween projects that I create. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.